Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean pickup? This might be the one. This is the 2015, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7469. Let's give you that virtual video walk around, showing you this rig up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the XTR Packaged Edition. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. I'm going to show you the interior in just a second. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed, which is peace of mind driving for you. Lots of ample legroom for friends and family that might be traveling with you. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior rear. And we're going to put you in the front seat here in just a second and show you the interior front cab. This F-150 does, of course, have the 6-speed automatic transmission with the 3.5-liter V6 motor. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. For more information on this F-150 or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.